Hello all. This video, Creating a Quiz in Moodle Part 2, will tell us how to add questions to an already created quiz in Moodle. In the last video, we saw how to create settings for a new quiz. Now, after the settings part is over, we need to add questions to this particular quiz so that students will be able to take it. So make sure the edit option is turned on and we need to go click on CA1 part 1. This page lets us know what the setting is for this particular quiz. We allowed only one attempt. The quiz will not be available until Friday, and the quiz will close on Friday at 11 a.m. And the time limit is 10 minutes. And it also says there are no questions that have been added here. So I'm going to choose this option, Edit Quiz. Immediately, this page gets opened where I will be able to add questions for this quiz. Towards my right hand side corner, we can see a button Add. I'm going to choose it. There are three options that are available. We are going to explore the first option, a new question. We have different types of options available for us to choose from. First, let us add a multiple choice question. As soon as I click the multiple choice question, this page gets opened and I have to start typing it out. So the question name is mandatory and I can give Q1 as the question name. And the question text, this is where we actually type the question. So for example, who wrote Othello? Sorry. This is the question that we are giving here. The default correct mark that would be given is 1. If we need to add general feedback, we can add it. One or multiple answers. Please choose one answer only. And then make sure this box shuffles the answer choices is being ticked. And how do we want to number the choices? Small a, b, c or capital A, B, C? It is our own choice to make. Next, in answers, the first choice can be the right answer or whichever is the right answer, we need to give it. So in the first choice, I'm going to give Milton, which is the wrong answer. So no grade is awarded. In choice 2, I'm going to put in Shakespeare, which is the right answer. So I'm going to give 100%, which means it is 100% correct and the students will get 1 mark. And then in grade or option 3, let me give Chaucer. And in choice 4, I'm going to give Kit. We need not bother about options that are not filled here because they will not be considered. If we need extra options, you can click this for 3 more choices. You can give the students a combined feedback for telling which answer is correct or appreciating the correct answers, or you can just skip this part. Multiple tries, no. Tags, no. save changes, and then we have incorporated one question into this quiz test. I can add as many questions as I want. So again, I'm going to choose a new question and I'm going to choose the option true or false. Question name is Q2. The text would be, is Delhi the capital of India? So the options would either be yes or no. So the default mark is given. So here I need not give options. I just need to choose the correct answer. We also have options, some learning moment that we can give for the students using the feedback option for true and false. Again, I'm saving changes. So this is a true or false question. Let us add yet another question. Now let us go for matching. Question name is Q3. So here I have to give the question text. If you see here, you must provide at least 2 questions and 3 answers. You can provide extra wrong answers by giving an answer with a blank question. Entries where both the question and the answer are blank will be ignored. So here in the question text, we can probably give match the following as the exact matching happens here. So the first question can be sonnets, and the right answer is Shakespeare. And then let us have Harry Potter. The answer is Rowling. And Tom Sawyer. Dickens. If we need to give more distractors, we can just give 3 more blanks or as much as we want. I'm going to stop it here and then I'm going to save changes. So we have matched the following question here. If you want to edit any question, if we just click on that particular question, this editing option, editing page will be enabled for us to make our changes again. Next, let me add essay question. We can add short answers also, but short answer option requires exact answer rubrics so that it can give marks based on the rubrics that has been given. In English literature, we generally avoid that and we move to essay. Here, I can give my question name, it's Q4, question text, write an essay on the book I liked the best. The default mark, I'm going to give it as 5. You can give general feedback. Response format. We can keep it as HTML editor itself. Require text. Require the student to enter text or text input is optional. I'm going to click require the student to enter the text so the student can write. Input box size 15 lines. I'm going to choose 20 lines. Allow attachments? No. If you want attachments, then you can specify what type of attachments you need. In the response template, again, we have the grading information. We will just skip it and go for save changes. So we have created the quiz. The quiz is for 8 marks. The maximum grade that they can receive is 8. So I can go and change it here. I'm just saving. After saving this quiz, we can open it and have a preview. So this is CA1. So I'm going to preview the quiz now. It would tell me that I have only 10 minutes of time and if I wish to start it now. So I'm going to say start attempt. So you can preview this quiz, but if this were a real attempt, you would be blocked because this quiz is not currently available. And you can also see the timing left is also visible. So I'm just going to choose the answers and see if it is working. So I have matched the following. So I have to choose the right answer and then match them. And I can write an essay here. I'm going to give finish attempt. So it says answer saved. And a few people have not yet answered. Submit all and finish. So this is how we can easily create a quiz in Moodle. Thank you all.